Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is December 30th and the chart of the day for today is ES S&P 500 E-mini futures here. Alright, so what we can see right here is that we are still calling for more upside extension as long as it stays above 67.71, and in fact we still continues to make new high. This last peak here was the latest new all-time high in ES. Okay, and if we look at the higher time frame, such as the daily, now we can see this is the new all-time high. Now the last significant low was here, right? This is the last significant low back in November 21st. You can see from here we do have what looks like a three ways up only, right? And again, nothing impulsive, nothing bullish ends in a three ways, right? So it needs to end in 5 waves in an impulsive structure, right? And so here, if you just simply measure the extension using, the Fibonacci, the 100% is 72.19. That is just a one possible option where we can go higher, simply 100% extension. The current view actually is kind of a little bit conservative here, so we're looking for 1 2 3 4. So if you look at it this way, this is your 1, this is your 2, and then the 3 is kind of a very short wave 3 here. Again, this is what I call a conservative view. So it's going to be a diagonal here, and then you're looking for wave 4 pullback, which overlaps with the 1, but again is okay as a diagonal, right? It's okay as a diagonal, so actually we're calling for completed. So now looking for one more like higher to finish with 5, a diagonal, and then after that should be ending this cycle, and then should be at least correcting the cycle in 3 waves like this. But because we do have a 3 waves rally from here and has not reached 100%, it may or may not reach 100%. If it is a diagonal, then probably it can even truncate without reaching 72.19. But this would be 1 2 1 2 as well. It doesn't need to be 1 2 3 4. Could be another 1 2 1 2 as a nest here. So it could be 1 and 2 in blue here, which will, if it is a nest, then it will allow a move up to 72.19 potentially. Okay. Now here, the minimum target here, provided wave 4 is really done, is going to be 1.236, which is 7,007. Usually that's how you measure wave 5. 1.236 external retracement. But of course, we could in fact be still doing a double like this. It still can be doing a double before going higher again, for example. Right, so the main idea then is that the main sort of pivot is this 67.71. This low is not confirmed whether this is really going to hold unless we can break above wave 3. If it can break above wave 3, then that will be confirmed that the correction is over. Until then, we can always do a double, but as long as we stay above 67.71, we continue to look for more upside in any kind of pullback in 3711 swing. Okay, so that is the idea in the ES for today, guys. So I'll see you all again next time, and if you do want to get more updates on ES or any other stock ETF indices, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. So I'll see you guys again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.